reordering items in the gradebook. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to reorder items in the gradebook so they are aligned with the course page. When you first get a course and open it, you will see all the units your students will do. In this course, the first unit is called Talk to a Doctor. Scrolling down, we see other units. Make returns, shop for groceries, and so on. Going back up to the first unit, Talk to a Doctor, we could see which items we will want to include in the gradebook. Scrolling down, we see which activities are in the gradebook. The 3 H5P activities: 2. Talk about symptoms and ailments vocabulary. 3. Talk about pain. 4. Follow a doctor's advice. And then 7. The self-assessment task. Your job is to open the Gradebook Setup page and reorder the activities there so they match the course page here. I will open the Gradebook Setup page, and I will do it in a new tab so that I can go to the course page to see what the order should be, and then tab over to the Gradebook Setup page and move activities that need moving into the correct places. If your computer monitor is big enough, you could have both pages open side by side. Or you could even log into the course with a tablet or a smartphone and check that way. Open the navigation drawer. Then I'll right-click on Grades to open it in a new tab. I'll now close the navigation drawer so we can see more. The next step is to go to the drop-down menu on this Grader Report page and choose Gradebook Setup. We can see that the learning activities here are in the wrong order. They're in order 4, 3, 2, and they should be in 2, 3, 4. So we'll move number 2 by clicking on the Move icon. And then I'll click on the Move to Here icon. Now I'll move Learning Activity 3 into its correct place. Great! That's the job, to move the items in the gradebook to match the order of activities in the course. Here's a final tip to make your job a lot easier. Since you will be looking for particular file names, use the Find feature in your browser. Good luck!